Now!
7-4.
Chill the fuck out! Now! Now! No! Stop!
He was fine yesterday.
Yeah.
I'm good yesterday too. I'm good. Stop!
Bro, you can't have your dog disturbing everybody inside the gas.
You're disturbing her right now. Listen, bye.
You can't have your dog in a gas.
Arrest me or move on. Arrest me and move on.
No, the employees want you gone.
Then trespass me. Trespass me.
Okay, you're fine. You're trespassing.
I want to hear from her. I want to hear from her.
Then leave.
Arrest me. Sit down.
Be easy
Sit
now.
down.
What's that?
Be easy now.
What, lock him up?
Yeah.
Here, give me a second.
Yeah. We're being cool.
You're bothering me.
You just can't play your music and
I can do
hang
whatever
out.
the fuck I want. I'll do what the fuck I want to do. Move on.
Okay, I can't. I was called here. This is gonna.
And don't walk up on the mouth for fucking
If your dog bites one of us, it's gonna be bad.
do it. Right here. Step off, bitch. Step off. You're gonna be dead. I promise you that. You're gonna be dead, bitch. You step off. Now. Try it. Try it. Big sucker dick hoe. A big old black uncircumcised. Sit the fuck down. Sit down. I'm trying.
Can you
You need to leave.
Yeah. So you it was on early.
Van number 519, you want to see what kind of
It's gonna be an issue.
You need to leave. The lady asked you to leave.
I'm not gonna back up.
Get the sergeant.
No.
Get the sergeant.
No.
You're gonna get this to your neck.
No.
I promise you. Try it. I'm waiting. Please do. Let me show you the fuck I am. Make your move, bitch. Any one of y'all. Try it.
Hey, we have two coming.
I'm right here.
We have two coming.
Oh, bring it. Bring it. You're gonna need more than y'all two. I promise.
right.
You're gonna need 5.
What's
Bring
your
5. Bring 10. Try it. Bring all you need, bitch.
Put those scissors down.
Try it.
What's that?
He's got a pair of scissors.
I saw, yeah. I'll stay. You're good with that. I'll let you stay that.
What are y'all scared? How are you police officers you scared to arrest me? Huh? How the fuck are you police officers and you're scared of me? Quit being a bitch and do your job, ho, or move the fuck on!
More people we get better. No. They got to be yesterday to pull it off.
You hope you don't. So listen, man, you got a chance to walk away right now. If you refuse to, you're going to go to jail, and your dog's going to go to the pound. That's up to you, man. That's what you want to do.
Hey, so he does have a pair of scissors.
He's got a pair of scissors. He's got a big holster for a knife.
He had it on earlier.
And he's got a dog. So.
He's got a big knife somewhere on him. He had it on earlier.
I'm going to keep you
You put that away, bitch, now!
You got a leash on your dog?
You, bitch! You, bitch, what are you?
You got a leash on your dog? We don't got to shoot. Hey,
Palmer,
leash your dog.
Ludos, take the dog. Take the dog with the taser. Turn around.
Turn around.
Turn
Put your hands
around.
behind your back.
Turn around, put your hands behind your back. You're going to get taped. Turn around.
Turn around.
We're not going to do
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
dog? Is a dog? A woman. You're gonna fight woman. No, get her. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's time
around him.
I'll cut it.
Time around.
I got his arm. Owner's here for the dog.
Hold on. Yeah.
I'm gonna have a hold on.
Alright.
It's okay. It's
How many y'all use? Oh, no, I'm being serious now. That was fun. The fuck, that's what I needed.
How many y'all use? How many did y'all use? Y'all used 3? It took 3? That's what's up.
Knock it off, motherfucker.
It took 3 tasers and an army of men to take me down. And y'all still didn't do it.
Now you're losing your dog, too.
Oh, you thought?
Now your dog.
You thought?
Your
You
dog.
thought?
Dog's going to shelter.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She lives right next door.
It ain't going anywhere. Sure, it's getting surrendered. You're not getting your dog back.
Okay. Yeah, remember me, bitch? Yeah, you did.
Let me know when you're ready to turn it.
Stop. I'm not doing nothing. Y'all being aggressive.
Knock it off.
Your job is gone. Your job is gone, bitch. Your job is gone. Why are you doing this? Why? Why? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? Because you're a bitch? You want to suck a big old dick, bitch? Big old dick, suck a fat dick, bitch? Yeah, go ahead. Right there. Go ahead. Get it. Suck that dick. Fuck.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. Y'all good? Oh, I don't have it now. Fuck. I don't need that knife. Fuck.
He's been arrested before.
Many times, bitch. Why is it? Why you think so necessary? It takes this many to take me out? A whole army? 3 tasers in an army? Y'all still some bitches. Y'all suck at your fucking job. The fuck? Took a whole squad and you still didn't do shit. Bitch, oh,
Hey, the dog's yours out here. You want him to come grab the dog?
Whose dog is it? It's his dog right here. It's your dog? Who's those? Yeah, grab the dog. Get him out. Roll over. Put your hands behind your back. I'll come and get you out. I know. Put your hands behind your back. You're gonna get it again. Put your hands behind your back. Your dog gonna bite me. It's your dog gonna bite me. A woman. Is a dog here. You're gonna bite woman. Get him up. Yeah. All right, owner's here for the dog. Come here, Jinx.
Hold on.
Yeah, as soon as we can grab him. Get your dog.
But the last time the other dog got shot, so I'm
Okay, we gotta get the profile.
it's
You can just pull him out.
No, we gotta go get one of those things, the yellow thingies. Yeah. Can someone go to Palmer's Car and get one of those yellow thingies to get the probe out of the dog? Alright,
It's okay.
we're gonna get it out of here. Hey, baby. It's okay. Fine.
3 tasers and an army of men to take me down.
Now you're losing your dog too.
Oh, you thought?
Now your dog.
You thought?
Your dog's
Okay, you alright, baby? Okay.
Why is the dog in here?
This guy's a fucking asshole.
He does. He just brings his dog.
You know who's the dog? You can take that from my mom. She lives right next door.
I'm making sure it's getting surrendered. You lost your fucking dog.
I got the dog. Do you want to put that up?
It's okay, baby. It's okay. Stop. We'll take care of the station. We're gonna get it out of here, okay? I got it out with the house. Okay.
It is your dog or it's his dog? Oh.
The last time we had a situation with this, we got shot. My personal dog. I know.
Hey.
Oh, I don't have it now.
It's okay.
What?
Hey, I got
It's
an idea.
okay. It's alright, baby. Alright?
Anytime.
It's okay. Alright. No, we'll go get him later, okay? Okay, someone help me. Can you hold it? Because we gotta pull this out. James. Good. It's okay. Yeah, we got it. Sit. Is this your dog?
Yeah, I got no Zach at the house.
You got a what? Is this your dog though?
Yes, mine.
Is this your dog?
Yes.
Okay.
That's his uncle. That's my uncle.
All right. What's his problem?
He's fucking crazy. He thinks he's gonna run this fucking world. He thinks he's fucking president of the United States.
All right.
He's fucking crazy.
So you're going to take this dog home with you? All right,
I'm gonna take him home.
You got your ID?
Yeah.
Can you get your ID off for me?
Get the share ready.
Sorry, bud.
Yeah, I stay literally right.
Yeah, I just got to jot your info down.
Why does he have your dog though?
He's helped me train him.
Yeah, don't get this dog ever again.
I got a whole boy full grown. You know,
So here's the thing: if this was,
you can toss that. It's garbage.
I cut it.
if he does this shit, you want him to take all his property with him? It's his uncle.
I said,
You can take it. Take that.
that's my mom.
I got you.
Yeah, that's her brother.
All right, what's a good phone number for you, man? Yeah. You alright, baby? Sorry, girl. It's okay.
Yeah, but the dog I really love had to fuck me. He took my house out and asking me.
Yeah.
He just trying to. Then my last one got
Is
shot.
this a girl or guy?
It's a girl.
Oh, I hope she's okay.
Almost. Shit.
Good girl.
You
So
guys.
she's a little freaked out right now.
Yeah. You guys, she's the male's 4 times her size.
Yeah,
Right.
I'm glad.
But hey, you gotta be careful because one day the dog's gonna get shot.
She could have got shot.
Yeah.
That's the last thing I want to shoot.
Yeah.
I have 3 dogs. The last thing I want to shoot a fucking dog.
Like my first one that was with him, my actual pit bull, Reynolds pit, same size as her. He got shot 9 times with a Glock. So I felt bad.
All
This
right.
is all your uncle's shit, so make
All
sure
right, man. You want to
to
load her up and?
I
stay
on the street. So.
All right. I got his info. Okay. We'll lock his name.
Ryan's doing
It's his dog, so we're trying to.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
She's mine.
Yeah. All right, man. You're good to go. All right. So appreciate it.
Yeah, you gotta. Well, that's all I came in here for.